महासागरांतली लुटमार बरे तरेन नियंत्रणाखाला आयल्या, मात हालीं हिंद महासागरांतल्यान मनशांची तस्करी वाडटा ही हुस्क्याची गजाल. श्रीलंकेचो डिफेन्स सचिव करुणासेना वास्को मिडिया कडेन उलयलो. श्रीलंके खातीर गोवा शिपयार्डान एक एडवान्स ऑफशोर पेट्रोल वेझल शुक्रारा लॉन्च केली. त्या सुवाळ्याक तो उलयलो. श्रीलंके खातीर आनीक एक बोट बांदपाचें काम सध्या चल्लां.
I think the Sri Lanka Navy, I think we need a couple of vessels, so we must thankful to the Indian government in helping in this endeavor, particularly the Goa shipyard, which has constructed these ships, and one I think we have launched today, and there is another one in construction, and which will also join the Sri Lanka Navy very soon. I think we all in our region, Indian Ocean region, we have understand the importance of maintaining peace and security in the Indian Ocean for the sea line of communication and trade, so that we'll have peaceful movement of goods and energy, food and energy in this region. Piracy, of course, to a great extent we have managed in the Indian Ocean quite a lot, but I think very few incidents are being reported, but we are very effective in doing that. Not only our coast guards and the navies, but also the Indian and other countries, particularly the Middle Eastern countries. In Bahrain, the CMF, the Combined Maritime Force, also doing operation. Particularly we are more focused on the drug trafficking and the human trafficking now. So that's an important thing to control in this region. So we are quite effective in that way.
गोवा शिपयार्डाचो चेअरमॅन आणि एमडी म्हणटा शिपयार्ड 3 वाटे येणावळ एक्सपोर्टांतल्यान जोडटा.
इंडियन नेवी ने अपनी शिप्स और इंडिया में वी हैव बीन मेकिंग द शिप्स फॉर ऑलमोस्ट नाउ लास्ट 40 years, right? So it is actually a major event for us when now the Indian shipyards are able to make the ships and export for our friendly countries. As you're aware of it, GSL, half of the order book is from the exports. One third of our revenues is from the export. So it's a very significant step, very significant leap for us. What is more important is not only we are getting the orders, but we are completing them, we are executing them on time. And this will pave the way for more orders. And this will pave the way for establishing the credentials of the Indian industry, which has come of age lately. Shipbuilding is the aggregation of equipments. There are a very large number of equipments, whether it's engineering equipment, whether it's electrical equipment, electronic equipment, are all put together. So this feat is possible only if your industry has come of age.
प्रुडंटा खातीर दिशांत परब.
खासा भुरग्यांच्या संजय स्कुलाच्या 10वेचो रिजल्ट अंदू 100% लागला. परीक्षेत बरी कामगिरी केल्ल्या भुरग्यांचो मुख्यमंत्री पार्सेकारान भोवमान केलो. खासा भुरग्यांक उर्बा दिवंक फक्त सरकारानच न्हय, सगळ्यांनी एकठांय यत्न करचे म्हूण मुख्यमंत्री उलयलो.
बबीता कश्यप, गौरीश परब.
ह्या भुरग्यांच्या हिता खातीर आमकां सगळ्यांकूच वावरूंक जाय. Government alone cannot do everything. Chairman alone cannot do everything. Board alone cannot do everything. The teachers themselves cannot do everything. Parents themselves cannot do everything. It is when all, including the government, till the contractor, the parents, the teachers, the students, the management, the board of directors, the media friends, when they come together, join hands together, then only desired result, desired success, it may be in any field, is possible. Here is a case where you are the special children.
खबराचित्रां हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां prudent media.in वेबसायटीचेरूय लायव्ह पळोवंक मेळटात. नमस्कार.